Welcome to the Bag Makers Workroom.
Bag Makers Workroom.
The Bag Makers Workroom.
I'm Chris with Simply Classic.
Chris with Simply Classic.
Simply Classic. And today is Thursday, November 14th, 2024.
Thursday, January 9th,
May 29th,
October 16th, 2025.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you so much for joining us live tonight.
And I'm super excited about this first episode of the Bag Makers Workroom.
It's also our 1-year anniversary of the Bag Makers Workroom. So we have officially been out here a year. Now it is time for the Simply Classic Scoop, and this is where I tell you what's new here at Simply Classic, or what's kind of going on behind the scenes.
We got a huge order in, so all of you that have been waiting on product to come in, guess what? It is here.
We have worked with Philtech during the year, during 2024, to carry a new line, or have them develop a new line of Text 45 thread. It comes in 25 different colors. And my favorite is this color right here. It is called Cotton Candy. We are going to be in Sacramento, California for the Sac Bag and Sew Expo. It's a new event and it is going to be amazing. So we have 6 new webbings here in the shop. We have this peacock pattern, which are these 4 right here. And then we have this zigzag pattern. We have a new pattern releasing. It was going to be tomorrow, but we decided we're going to release it today. So this is the Lusso. We are announcing a bag making retreat in Ruskin, Florida, which is in the Tampa area. And Barbie Taylor from Jeannie's Designs and I will be teaching the retreat.
Last week I drove to Tennessee to teach 2 workshops at Chattanooga Sewing Machines, and I want to thank everybody who came. We have our new class posted, and this is called the lacing. The thing about it that's so amazing is the leather lacing that we do throughout the entire bag. We bought a warehouse. We've been able to start on renovations. The warehouse is in Thompson, Georgia, a really small, quaint town just west of Augusta. It's going to be kind of the office headquarters, and then the warehouse will be behind it.
We have purchased a warehouse and offices. They are now ready to go. So here is a photo of the warehouse, kind of where we started and where we ended up. We ended up having to pretty much take the entire warehouse down, re-poured the concrete, and then basically put the whole building back up. We have a new free pattern for you, the Madison. This is a slim card holder wallet. It is super cute, super easy, really a scrap buster. Okay, the next thing we want to talk about is our brand new pattern, and that is the Kaplan. So it is a roomy crossbody, kind of satchel kind of bag. Taylor and I went to Salt Lake to Bernina University. We had an amazing show. I'm so excited about all the shops all over the United States and Canada that will be carrying Simply Classic products, and some of them already were and just restocking. Others were brand new to the stores. The last thing I want to tell you about is like the most exciting, and this is Classic Fuse woven interfacing. Now, I created Classic Fuse because I really couldn't find anything like this in the stores. Like when I go to shop, I can't find it. I know there's a lot of interfacing options out there, but I wanted to really explain to you why ours is different.
Pattern releases are always exciting for us. The Zara is inspired by the Loewe puzzle bag. Isn't it cool?
Last week I was in Sacramento for Sac Bag and Sew. I taught 4 classes. This was the Simply Classic Clutch class. Here we have the Sorella class. Saw some old friends and made some new ones. It was really a fabulous event. In case you missed it, I posted a tutorial and a free cutting chart for this bag right here. This is the Symbole tote from Prada. Well, this one isn't. This is the one I made, and it is similar to that bag. Last week, we were at the Houston Quilt Festival. We had, again, an amazing time. We had a huge booth. It was right by the food court. A lot of you found us, and we just really had a great spot. We were super excited. So our Tech 70 thread, the name has now changed to Fusion 70. We have some new thread colors that we're super excited about. The Thursday thread is where we tell you a sewing story, either from my life, your life, or some sewing history. In today's Thursday thread, we're actually going to talk about the history of bags. Let's go way back. I always thought they were more for function initially, way back when. But the reality is, when you look at these pictures, a lot of them really were about design as well. And tonight we're going to specifically talk about Louis Vuitton, Christian Dior, Gucci. Okay? He's Italian. We're going to talk all about Hermes, all about Chanel, Yves Saint Laurent, also known as YSL.
The history of leather crafting and bag making in the United States, since it is our birthday.
And today I want to talk to you about the history of faux leather. We want to show you an interview that we did with Tiffany Tenas. She is the owner of Test Patch Studio. What advice would you give somebody just starting out?
I would say just have the courage to keep moving forward and doing it and following your passion.
We are talking with Rock Boucher from Rock Leather Works.
So what is your general process when you start making a bag, like from start to finish?
Before I start cutting leather on a hide, then I pay like $450 for it, I would make it in paper. And I pick up a painter sheet made of canvas, then I practice with that.
So now it's time for Sharpen Your Skills, and this is where we learn tips and tricks to help you become a better bag maker.
Typically in the color wheel, you have a section in the middle that turns, and you can see there's all these different shapes, and I'll show you how all those shapes work in just a minute.
So whenever I do handles like this, I always like to use this method because it provides for a seamless transition. So how do you do that to get 2 layers of handle here and 4 layers of handle up here where you grab? I'm going to show you that today.
Today I want to show you how to make this bow. Go ahead and download these pattern pieces for free. There's no charge. All right, so here's how we do it.
So today I'm going to show you how to use scraps to create this simply classic bunch.
I'm going to show you how to replicate that frayed webbing technique. What they did is just dressed it up with this webbing and basically frayed it.
Today I want to talk about tools and notions that you need to make leather bags.
This is a braid that is done with 2 closed ends. So let's look at how we do this mystery braid. We're going to look at some works of art and some photos from nature, and then we'll be using them to inspire our own color palettes. Then we're going to take it a step further, and we're going to find some materials in the Simply Classic store that you can use to bring these color palettes to life.